Hello rising generation. So I have come up with some more extra questions. Okay, in my last video I showed you few for class 9 number system. So today again we will do some more. Convert the radicals into radical of order 6. This is little critical. Check to it very nicely. You'll miss. Square root of 2. Since the root is 2, so you're writing this 2 here, and the power you will write it as 1 by 2. And radical required by them is 6. So write it again, 1 by 2 into, यहाँ पे देखो 2, focus in the denominator. 2 into what makes 6? 2 into 3. That 3 you are writing here. Multiply the numerator. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. So this can again be further written as 2 to the power 3 outside 1 by 6. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 8 to the power 1 by 6. तो ये क्या है? 6 है. तो ये 6th root बन गया. Easy, no? It's not easy. It's hard for me also. I'll show you the easy process. Radical, or it has become in the order of 6. So I don't feel like showing the easy one. Do the hard one and suffer. Let me show. Feel pity for you guys. Square root of 2. My radical, my order has to be 6. What root is this? 2. लिख दो यहाँ पे 2. अंदर क्या है? 2. लिख दो. 2 into what will make 6? 2 into 3. 2 into 3. एक्स्ट्रा क्या लिखा है तुमने? 3. वही 3 यहाँ पे चिपका दो एज अ पावर. So that becomes 2 3s are 6. ऑर्डर का ऑर्डर भी बन गया. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. आंसर भी निकल गया. अब देखो ये करना है या ये करना है, देख लो. ओके. और एक है, और एक सम कर लेते हैं. इजी वाला प्रोसेस से डरना नहीं. 3rd रूट ऑफ 9. ऑर्डर 6 चाहिए इन लोगों को. 9 चिपकाओ. 3 into what will make 6? 3 2. यहाँ पे जैसे ही 2 लिखते हो ना, put a 2 here as your power also. 3 2s are 6. 9 9s are 81. Yes, of course, if you understand this well, you can do, but it takes a little long to complete the sum. I feel this is the easy process and you can proceed with it. Okay, na? Arrange in ascending order with the roots. मैथ्स टीचर का हैंड राइटिंग अच्छा नहीं होना है, सो डोंट माइंड मी राइटिंग इन दिस वे. Square root of 3, fourth root of 10, third root of 6. तो रूट पे ध्यान दो. ये यहाँ पे 2 है, दिस इज 4 एंड दिस इज 3. Go back to your class 4. LCM of 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 3. 2 twos are 4. 4. So had to wait for the electricity. So the LCM of 2, 4 and 3 is equal to 12. Okay. So what are your numbers? Square root of 3. Then you have fourth root of 10. Then you have third root of 6. So what did you do in the last sum? Order क्या था? 6. यहाँ पे order 12 होना है. So this is 2. Write a 2 here. 2 into what will make 12? 2 6 are. And this 3, write it as it is. और क्या एक्स्ट्रा लिखा? 6 लिख दो यहाँ पे. 2 6 gives you 12, and 3 multiplying 6 times you get 729. Okay. यहाँ पे this is your fourth root. So fourth into of 10. 4 into what gives you 12? 3s are. So यहाँ पे 3 as a power. So this becomes 12th root of 1000. Then third root is given. 3 into what gives you 12? 3 4s are. That 4 you put here also. So this becomes 12th root of 1296. Now you can judge it easily because you have all the roots as 12th root. They asked you to arrange in ascending order. Ascending मतलब होता है from small to big. So you will focus on these numbers here. The smallest one is 12th root of 729, 12th root of 1000, 12th root of 1296. From where does this number come? The original is root 3. इसका original क्या है? Fourth root of 10. और इसका क्या है? Third root of 6. Arranged in ascending order. Okay. चलो आगे. Adding up the numbers with surds, radicals. Five into square root of 3 plus 2 into square root of 27 plus 1 by root over of 3. 5 square root of 3 plus 2. Again, as I said you, bigger number inside, so take factors. 3 9, 3 3, 3 1. Since it is a square root, so you have to put the number in pair of 2. That is 3 square into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. And what did we do? When we had number or a radical or a root number in the denominator, what did we do? We rationalized. So we will do the same here. 1 by root 3 into root 3 नीचे, root 3 ऊपर. 5 into square root of 3 plus ये 3 बाहर आया, so it becomes 2 3s are 6. and here 1 into root 3 is a root 3. root 3 into root 3 कितना होता है? कोई बोल देंगे root 6, root 9. root 3 into root 3 is only 3. कैसा होता है? root 3 यहाँ पे, root 3 यहाँ पे, स्क्वायर रूट एक ही घर में घुसा दो. 3 into 3 मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 स्क्वायर एंड रूट कैंसिल 3. तो वही है, root 3 into root 3 is only 3. Now, what common do you see in them? Everyone has got a square root 3, square root 3, square root 3. Take the numbers out. 5 out, what sign do you have? Plus. 6 out, plus. Here, ऊपर में कुछ है, भूलना नहीं. 1 है. 1 by 3. And common is root 3. So what? Now अभी गधा जैसा मत करना. Don't add up the numerators. Go step by step. जो सीखे थे याद करो. You did it in class 4, class 3, class 5. It's a fraction number. Fraction number मतलब take LCM. Everywhere, throughout your life. Not only now, but throughout your life. This has to be applied every time. You cannot add up the numerators directly. Denominator is there, so you have to take the LCM. नीचे no number means 1. 1 and 3. LCM is 3. Now check to this. 1 into what makes 3? 1 into 3. Oh, 3 has to be multiplied with this 5. So 3 5s are 15. Here again we have a 1. 1 into what makes 3? 3s are 3. 6 are 18. Put the sign. 3 into what makes a 3? 1s are. So 1 into 1 is a 1. Square root 3 चिपका दो. Now add up. How much do you get? It's 34 by 3. And the root 3 चिपकाना है. बस आंसर खत्म. We cannot cancel this since this is even and this is odd. So at this point you have to end up. Chalo. Okay, so the next question. A, B कुछ भी लिख लो, ठीक है. 2. 8 into square root of 45. 8 into square root of 20. By now I think you should be able to guess key bigger number inside. Take factors. 245. This would be 3 square into 5 minus 8. 2 square into 5 plus 7 square into 5 minus 3. 5 square into 5. Square because it is a square root. ध्यान में रखियो. 8 into 3, 24. Square root of 5. 8 2s are 16. Square root of 5 plus take all the numbers together. 24 minus 16 plus 7 minus 15, and common thing in them root 5, root 5, root 5, root 5. चिपका दो. Why चिपका दो? Because they have the common surname, common title. Okay. So this is 31 minus 31 into root 5. 31 minus 31 is a 0 into root 5. क्या होगा? कोई बोल देंगे root 5. 0 into any heaven or hell number is always a 0. पर हुआ क्या? इतना मेहनत करने के बाद फल क्या मिला? 0. This is maths. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आंसर 0 आया तो यू विल स्टॉप डूइंग मैथ्स. करते जाओ. It will be helpful for your other subjects also. Next. So we are multiplying here. So the roots, what roots do you have here? Third root, fourth root and the 12th root. So take LCM. LCM of 3, 4 and 12 will give you 12. Remember the ascending, arranging in ascending order, the same way you are going to do here. 3 into what will give you 12? 3, 4. 4 chipkao. Sign is multiplication, don't put plus sign here. Some students are very careless. This is 2, 4 into 3. This is 12. So just keep it as it is. 3 4s are 12. So this will be 16, 12, 8, 12, 32. कभी-कभी स्टाइल से pronounce करना चाहिए. So what if we are not English teacher? 16 into 8 into 32. Again factors ले लो. So क्या आएगा? तुम्हें 2 to the power 12. 12th root and the 12 gets cancelled. So your answer is 2. तो अब 16 का फैक्टर लेना है, 8 का लेना है और 32 का लेना है. सब कुल मिला के हमें ये मिलेगा. ठीक है? So now a little different one. Into square root of 18 plus 2 into square root of 12 bracket root over of 50 minus root over of 27. एटीन का क्या होगा? 3 square into 2 plus 2 2 square into 3. 50 का क्या होगा? 5 square into 2. 27 का क्या होगा? 3 square into 3. I am putting the number in squares because it is a square root. बार बार बोलूंगी, देखती हूँ याद किसको रहता है. 2 are 4. The same thing you will do here as you have been doing. 5 minus a into 2 plus b. क्या करते थे? 5 into 2, 5 into b. वही करेंगे यहाँ पे. बोला मैंने कि जो सीखे थे वही अप्लाई करना है, हर जगह पे अप्लाई करना है. When you learned to walk, you are still walking, right? Your style and attitude might be different, but you are still walking. So, multiply with this. 9 5s are 45. Number and number. Root number and the root number. So, in between no sign we have. That means it is a multiplication. Root 2 into root 2 is only a 2. This again has to be multiplied with this. What sign is it? Minus. 9 3s are 27. Root 2 into root 3 is a root 6. यहाँ पे 4 5s are 20. Again root 6. Plus into minus is a minus. 4 3s are 12. Root 3 into root 3 is only 3. So this is 90 plus, focus for this part only because this has a square root of 6. This also has a square root of 6. So we can add or subtract out here on the numbers. Only the numbers और जो root है just चिपका देना है. Okay? So what do you have here? 27 minus 27 and plus 20. So that gives you minus 7 root 6. And there you have 36. Now focus only the numbers. Plus and minus you will do minus. 90 minus 36 is 54. And this is minus 7 square root of 6. That's your answer. And you can never add or subtract these two numbers. इसके पास नाम है, surname है, इसके पास नहीं है. So we cannot unite them. Okay? बस एक दो सम ही बाकी है, कर लेते हैं खत्म. Square root of 75 into square root of 60 into square root of 63 divided by square root of 40 into square root of 200. So this is 5 square into 3 into 2 square into 15 into 3 square into 7 after taking factors. And this will be 2 square into 10 into 2 square into 5 square into 200 का. ठीक है? 5 square root of 3 into 2 root over of 15 into 3 root over of 7. 2 root over of 10 into ये and ये is 10 root over of 2. Take out all the numbers outside. ऊपर वाला को ऊपर में रखो. 5 into 2 into 3 मतलब ये और ये, और नीचे 2 into 10. बाकी सब का रूट ध्यान में रखो. All are square root. All are square root. So what we can do? एक बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग बना लो, सबको अंदर ढाल दो. 3 into 15 ऊपर वाले को ऊपर में रखो, नीचे वाले को नीचे. That makes your work easy. ठीक है? 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. यहाँ पे 2 2 cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. We cannot cancel anymore. So it's 3/2. और यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ये 3 है, ये भी 3 है, so that is 3 square. Square and root gets cancelled. So 3 बाहर, square and square, I mean 2 and 2 is a 2 square. So 2 बाहर. So you are left with बेचारा √7 got trapped inside the root. So this is 9/4 root over of 7. Okay. अच्छा, बस अभी एक इजी सम रह गया. पॉज करके कॉपी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. कोई कोई बच्चों को शायद ये सब भी याद दिलाना पड़ेगा. Find the least rationalizing factor. Find the least (98). So the factors are 7 squared into 2. It is a square root. 7 comes out. My intention is to get rid of the root. So if I multiply with another square root of 2, I am getting what? 7 into 2. So I just have a number 14. But that is not your answer. Your answer is, what is that extra thing I multiplied just to get a number without a root? So the extra thing which I multiplied is a square root of 2. So the least rationalizing factor is equal to √2. Okay. Now rationalizing the denominator. Tired of the markers. Four by third root of 16. 4 by third root. It's third root. So the power has to be a 3. 2 cubed into 2 gives you 16. So what happens? This 2 comes out. The other 2 is still there inside the third root. So all this time there was a common question. We had to multiply. Then we got the answer. But remember the root here. It's the third root. You just cannot multiply once. You have to multiply it twice. What I mean is third root of 2. Again third root of 2. नीचे जो लिखा है ऊपर भी वही लिखो. ऊपर भी वही लिखो. Never start from up. You will be confused. नीचे से लिखना है. Okay? This is also third root. This is also third root. They belong to the same family. So the members inside can be written together. Okay? So this is third root of 2 into 2 is a 4. This 2 is here. Now, what about this third root of 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. That means I can write it as 2 cubed. Cube and the cube root gets cancelled. So you are left with 2 into 2. So your answer is 2 cancel. Your answer is simply third root of 4. Okay, I think I have covered up most of your things. I will need one more class to complete some more extra questions, around 3 or 4 questions to cover up this full chapter. If you are very thorough with this, you can easily score around 15 marks from this chapter. Okay, until then, bye-bye.